Hey my loves, welcome back to a new video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be doing like a Halloween makeup routine. I'm just going to be playing in some of my Halloween eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to do like a simple Halloween makeup look, nothing too crazy. I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-hour concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. This is empty. It is empty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still some on the sides. So I have the Batty Bean times Shroud Cosmetics. I think it's Shroud. It's freaking bats. I haven't used this yet, but y'all, this is so pretty. I don't have the Halloween palette from her. I should get it, but that is so pretty. And then I also have these palettes from this brand called Dark and Glam. So I got this Creep Show palette. And I got these two Goosebumps palettes. Okay, let's start off with the It's Freakin Bats. I'm going to start off with this color right here, Dairy. Yeah, I'll just use that first. Ooh, that's pigmented. So I'm just going to put that on my outer V. And going to... This is like a deep purple. I'm going to go in the Goosebumps palette. And let me swatch one of these shades. I'm going to go ahead and take this orange shade. And I'm going to use that to blend out that purple. This is called Release Me. And I want to take that and blend out that purple. See what that looks like. Go back into the It's Freakin Bats palette, and we got this color right here. We got Handbook. Ooh, and then we got Sam. I'm pretty sure Sam. Pretty sure Sam is the name after the movie. Oh, those two are nice. I haven't swatched this palette. Like, I had it for a while and I haven't swatched it. Then we got this pretty purple. I don't do purple often. So, man, all of that is beautiful. Let's do the purple. So I'm going to go back into that purple and just blend it on the outer part. And then Just go in my crease and blend it out. For a primer, I'm using the Revolution Pro mattifying primer, and then I have the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. I'll apply that first. I've used this I think twice already. I've picked this up from Marshall, so I've been trying to test it out because I have heard great things about this. So I just want to test it out, and then I'm going to go in with my mattifying primer where I get oily. Okay. For foundation, I'm going to take my NARS foundation in the color Marquise. The foundation is down. The brush I'm using is from Sonia Kashuk. You can get this from Target. They still sell this hair collection. And for concealer, I'm just going to try to scoop up what I can from this e.l.f. here. I'm going to take my Black Radiance powder. This is in the color medium. Did I say Black Radiant? I think I meant Black Opal. I don't know what I said. Y'all know what I mean. Alright, now I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses Matte Powder Foundation in the color Chestnut. This is one of the bronzers I pulled out. I haven't used this in a long time. The Revolution Makeup Revolution Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer in dark. I used to love this. Blush, I'm going to take this Beauty Bay blush. This is in the color Merlot. And I like this color. You only need a little bit, because this, to me, I think it's very pigmented. Like, you do not need a lot of this color. Like, I just feel like it's very pigmented. So, excuse my lip. I got like some dry skin on my lip. And like, it's pissing me off. So now I'm going to put on my eyelashes. I'm going to put on Juliana again. I really, really like these. So these are from Poppy and Ivy. These are from the beauty supply store. So I really enjoyed these. And I'm going to use my lash liner glue from Beauty Creations. I'm going to go back into the Goosebumps palette. I'm going to take a little bit of this black. It's called Spidey. I kind of want to smoke it out a little bit. I know I don't need to, but I just want to add a little black. Put it in the crease just a little bit. You see the difference? Just add a little bit more. Just kind of wrung out that purple a little bit. Now I'm gonna go back in It's Freakin Bats, and let's play with some color. I kind of want to use Spooky, like this pop of blue. Put it, yes, let's do it. Add that, this blue right here is called Spooky, and I'm gonna put that underneath my waterline. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use the What's Up Beauty Watch Me mascara. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter before I put down my lash glue. So I'm gonna use the Stila what is this? The Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Molten Midnight, and I'm gonna add that on top. And who doesn't love glitter for Halloween? Just a little glitter. Nothing too much. I don't know if you guys can see because my lights are so bright. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. And I'm just lightly dusting some glitter on because, I mean, I don't want it to cover the whole eyeshadow, but you can see the glitter. I want to put a color in my inner tear duct. I want to do Handbook, and then I kind of want to do Sam, but I think Handbook is really going to make the look a little bit more spooky. I wish you guys could see the glitter. It's so pretty on this eye. But I'm going to go ahead and do Handbook and put that in the inner tear duct right here. So you could have like that slime green look coming through. I think it complements the blue really well. I'm gonna spray my face with the Milani Make It Last. Look, I might as well go ahead and use that up. I forgot I wanted to use my highlighter from Ioni. This is from their classic Horror Queen collection. You only need a little of that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So yeah, I like that. You only need a little. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to take this Profusion lip liner in black. I found this cute little lip liner at Ross last year, I think. So it's just in black. So I'm going to line my lips with that. Ooh, this is nice and creamy. This is my first time trying it. It did come with a liquid lipstick, so I had pulled that out. But I don't think I'm going to use that today. Take this lip gloss from Milani. This is from one of their Halloween lines. And I'm just gonna, it's like an iridescent. It's really, ooh. So this is the final look using some of my spooky products. Wanted to play with my spooky makeup and show you guys this look, but besides the eyelashes acting up, I just really like it. I like the pop of blue. I really like the pop of blue, and then I love the orange that's popping out, and I love the green, of course. Let me know how you guys like the look, and I like the lip. Like, I would even wear that all year long. I really like that lip gloss. That's nice. I don't know if they still have that available, if they brought it out for this year. But yeah, I picked that up last year. I believe, for Halloween. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below and make sure you all subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober, and I will talk to you guys in a different video. Bye.